In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to remove unwanted plugins from FL Studio's database to eliminate those pesky error messages that pop up when you try to use them. So, you've installed a bunch of VST plugins on your system, added them to FL Studio, and then decided you don't like some of them. You go ahead and uninstall them from your system, but even after removal, they still linger in FL Studio's plugin list, causing errors whenever you try to use them. Let's fix that. First, close FL Studio. Then, open File Explorer and navigate to your Documents folder. From there, find the Image Line folder and open it. Inside, locate the FL Studio folder and open it again. Now, head to the Presets folder. Here's where it gets a bit specific. If the plugin you want to remove is an instrument plugin, like a synth, it'll be located in the Generators folder within the Plugins Database folder. But if it's an effect plugin, like an EQ or compressor, you'll find it either in the Effects or Installed folder. For demonstration, let's say we want to remove the Hypersonic plugin, which is an instrument plugin. In FL Studio, navigate to the Add option, and you'll see Hypersonic listed under Engage plugin. This might be different for you as I have customized mine. Now, back in File Explorer, go to the Generators folder, and then navigate to Engage plugins, and there you'll find Hypersonic. Simply delete it from this folder. Now that we've removed the plugin from the database, close and reopen FL Studio. And just like that, the plugin is gone from the list, and you won't encounter any more error messages when trying to use it. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to tidy up your plugin list in FL Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.